Hey everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you edit your PDF file and save into your PDF format. So let's get started. So here is my one PDF file and I have to edit this file. So you can see here if I want to change date or I have to change anything, then for that I have to go to my Chrome and search for your PDFescape.com, and then you can see here and just go here and click here free online, and then you can see here upload PDF to PDFescape. So I'm going to upload here that file which I have in my local drive. So I'll upload here and choose file, and then I will go to my PDF file. I will select it all and I will select the documents. This is my file and it will take some time to upload, and it will show the full PDF file here. You can see here. Now if I want to edit here, then suppose I want to edit this date, then I will just go here and click here white out, and here I will drag here, and you can see here I will make little bit big and it will do. Now you can see it is deleted, and now I want to enter here date, and I will select here text, and then I will come here and click here and I will change the date. Suppose I will change my date here 2020 December 1, and you can see here it has been changed the date, and you can see here. And now if I print out, I will click here save as download PDF. I will save here and I will show you the difference. Start download. I will download it. It is downloaded. Now I will show you report 3 is my latest PDF file, and you can see here the date has been changed, and also the previous one report. You can see here it has been changed 10/7, and I have changed and saved PDF file 12/1. So in this way you can change your PDF and edit and save. It is your requirement as for PDF file. So this is the app, and this is the site which is it is almost free, so you can edit any PDF file as you want. So this is the site name PDFescape.com. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to make more videos, and thanks for watching this video.